Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below, where you get one at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer. This is a Wi-Fi smart camera, IP66 waterproof. So this is going outdoor, or you can have it indoor, but I am definitely setting it up for outside. Got a lot of good stuff. Dual antenna, designed for indoor, outdoor, IR sensor, microphone, 4-piece white LEDs, lens, 4-piece, can't see, array LEDs, TF card slot. Some really cool stuff right here. So we're going to open it up, take a look, set it up. Got my other phone right there, put it over there. Let's see how this thing works. Alright, we got a manual. Definitely gonna need that because of the probably QR or just a normal search on your iOS or Android app. We got the power right here. We got one of these guys. Oh boy, this should be fun. Oh, this is the power. Oh boy. I'm gonna have to find a place to mount it right there. Probably up top like this. Have it hanging. So we'll see how it goes. I'll show you guys where I install it and everything throughout this video. Oh boy. I think I can have it backwards installed. We got the Ethernet and the power. Got some screws and a waterproof seal to seal up your Ethernet cables. We got some screws right here. That's it from the box. Alright, let's take a look. So definitely check these guys out. I'll have the links down below. Wi-Fi smart camera. I forgot who this comes from, but it'll be in the title. Here's that. See, it goes like there. And then here's a micro SD. Peel this. Here's a lens. So, okay, there's the pivot. And see, it tilts like this. Nice. It's really cool. This is definitely a nice gift to give somebody for yourself. Under $100. Can't beat it. Outdoor, indoor, Wi-Fi camera. So definitely, now's the time to secure your home. And these will be really good. We'll definitely set it up on one video. Here we go. Long cord. Cool. Got enough cord there. Gotta see what app I gotta search up. Alright, here we go. Wired. Yeah, we're doing Wi-Fi. No wired. Okay. See, there's a little NEC on Android, IC, SEE on iOS. So we got the iOS where to search. See, type in IC, C. Alright, there it is. You pull it up. Install. Oh boy. Forgot my password. Shoot. I'll be back. I gotta reset my Apple password. Alrighty, guys. Got it set up. once you enter your account login, passwords, all that good stuff, you'll be pulling up to this screen right here. Probably going to click add the device, set up my Wi-Fi, allow. Okay, next step. Pretty easy. Oh, I'm gonna have to plug this thing in. Get it juiced up and everything, guys. Slacking. Alright, so this should be easy plug and play type deal. Right here. But make sure you use this covers if you're going outside with it. But right now I'm gonna do it in here so I don't need to cover it up. Alright, we got that cleared up. Where's the plug? There she is. Connect this to over here. More twist ties. Oh yeah. Gotta love the twist ties. A pretty cool looking camera so far that I've seen. It is a 1080p, I do believe. So, good quality. Got a spot down there. Gonna plug her in. Whoa. It already lit up. That's bright. I like that. Okay, so got that plugged in. I gotta enter my password for my Wi-Fi.
System starting up.
Whoa.
Wait to be configured.
She's loud. So that's a good sign.
Connecting. Please wait.
Oh yeah. That's simple if it works like that.
Connect to router successfully.
Alright. That was easy peasy. So you guys, if I could do it, you guys could do it. So this is a really great one for under, I think, under $100. Oh, I'm going to need a password. So make sure you write your passwords down. I'm going to start doing that. Just got so many from different accounts, from like the streaming accounts to other cameras. It's a lot of stuff to remember. Okay, it's setting it up right now. Front door. Yeah, because I'm going outside with it. Okay, saying it's online. It shows there. Nice setup right here.
Alert area. Please leave.
Jeez, scared me. Whoa. You get a free month of cloud service. Alright. Sure, why not? We'll do a free month. Maybe not. I'll skip and look into it later. Dang, look at this. You can always tilt it like that. Buffering. Dang. Fluent. Let's see. Go on HD. It's really clear, guys. Move the antenna. Let's see. How do you... Oh, look at that. See that moving? Look at that. That's crazy. Let's see if I can go left or right. Oops. Where did he go? Alright. I just like how easy it was to set up Wi-Fi. Some cameras are a little tricky while setting up the Wi-Fi. Look at that though. Oh, you can't see me. Oh no. This is perfect, guys. Great quality, those too. Look at that. You're gonna have to see it once you get it. On camera doesn't do justice, but you guys won't be disappointed, especially with a low cost of $50 or less, I think it was. So nice camera for a great price. Is gonna be this one. I think it's from IC, I do believe. But all you gotta do is click the link, check them out for a little bit, see what other cameras. But this is really cool. Look at that, clear. And plus, once you get it set up, you know, your config settings, quality, you could change it around. It'll look better too. So, but this is only for demo mode. But I still gotta decide. It is dark out, so I'm not gonna do a video of where I'm gonna set it up. But it might come up in the next few weeks on YouTube. So, but right now, this is what it looks like. Really cool. Look at that. Alright, YouTubers, you guys have a good weekend. Be safe out there. And I'll see you guys back pretty soon. And definitely before the new year, I'll see you guys. So have a good weekend. Be safe and see ya.